If you learned what I'm about to tell you 2 years ago, you'd be making $1 million in sales today. Traditional sales training and all the stuff you read in sales books, it doesn't work anymore. Your prospects have more access to information than ever before. They've got more choices than ever before. And they're being bombarded with emails, texts, and calls from crappy companies and individuals that are saying the exact same things you are. It's impossible for them to know the difference between you and the bad guys because you sound and seem the same. This is why you're not making the money you need to make to truly enjoy your life. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. Every day, salespeople just like you start making mid-six figures and 7 figures a year in sales using our sales process. And we have over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you at eastonuniversity.com to prove it. If you click the link here, you're going to see our on-demand video coaching platform, and live coaching with me twice a week is going to help you double or even triple the amount of money you're making in sales over the next 60 days. Click the link here. Easton University is more than a simpler way to sell. It's more than an interactive learning portal and live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now so you can be earning $1 million a year in sales sooner than you think.